Jenna! Oh my gosh, come in here. Hurry,
What?
it's an emergency.
What?
Are you okay?
Oh, yeah, I'm fine.
So your best friend Amanda. She into
She's really good. Yeah, eyes up here, man. Oh, wait, you do it so much better. So, come here often? My mom told me not to talk to strangers. Whatever. Wanna race me on the sled? Okay, we're all done. I think I've lost my ability to donkey. No, I haven't.
Wait, I feel it's coming.
Okay, keep that.
Yo. So like yo Danny, what's good? Not much, Eli. Yo, like, what turns you on? Like, I just love when girls like hopefully guys will like us.
Yeah, good luck, sister.
Let's get out of here.
Your place or my place?
Oh, where'd you go? Right here behind you. You going or not?
You're kind of cute or whatever. Oh my god, really?
What are you laughing at?
But my friend really needs my body.
Oh, bitch! Cute ones? No! I want to get out of here. Let's go.
Do you need anything from the fridge? Can you get the mustard? Yeah. Thanks.
Can you fetch me an avocado?
If you say so.
Oh shit. My bad. Hi. Are you okay? I don't know. Are you okay? Why didn't you just tell me you spoke? Can you give me that rag over there? Yeah. Thanks. Oh, can you give me that banana? Yeah. I even peeled it for you. Do you want an orange? Just fetch me one. If you say so.
Thanks.
Oh, Eli. Oh, he's here. I gotta go. I'll call you later. Hey, Danny, I got a new girl, Teresa. What you think?
Oh yeah, she cute.
She's pretty cute or whatever. You two know each other or something? You cheated on me?
You weren't supposed to find out, homie.
This is awkward now. Danny, wanna go get some beers?
I'll come too.
No, bitch. Ross for life, you hear me?
Spooky. Oh wow. Wow. Wow, you're so cute. Laugh out loud. Wow. Bum. I wanted to say something. Look at this kid off I got. Never mind. He's just a loser. Yeah. He's just really irritating. What are you doing? What? You don't feel safe? No, you're totally fine. You just need to, you know. Hurry, guys! Hi! Do it.
Cleaning? Oh, let's get it started.
Danielle, what did you just... Oh. Looks like your face is like permanently making... Is it really that bad? Hey, baby. I'm a man, what can I say?
Wait. No. Some. Golden hour, baby.
It's the having to eat something sweet every time you eat for me. It's the I'm vegan for me. It's the clapping every time you tell a joke for me. It's the stuttering for me. The donkey laugh for me. It's the tea kettle for me. It's the do you have a comfy clothes? It's the texting guy for 2 days and falling in love for me. It's the ability to not be able to commit for me.
I specifically asked you not to go there.
Yeah, but you mentioned the oh my god, you hear
Go.
Get the roar.
Get the roar.
Roar. Wait. Roar. Okay. Ready?
Get the roar. Get the roar.
You're quirky, huh?
Boom, boom, boom. Then when you
Okay, ready?
bye.
Go.
Yeah.
Yeah, honey, what's wrong?
I don't feel good.
Did you have a bad dream or something?
Are you okay?